Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another episode of tutorial. But this video you want to be glad you clicked for this video, because I'm gonna show you a way you could get your highlights to be a way to get the brightest highlight of your life for cheap. Yes, I said it. And you can get it cheap. It just depends on what product you have already. So if you want to check out how to get the brightest highlight of your life, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay guys, to get your highlights to the brightest level, first you need a cream base or a liquid base highlight. The one I have is the Becca liquid highlighter, and this one is in opal. You can see I use this a lot. So you're gonna get this, put it on your highest point. Ignore this pimple. I'm just gonna make this three side my highest point for now, okay? Because I already have lipstick on. I don't want to like mess it up, and I really don't feel like putting it over here. So these 3 points will be my highest point that I'm gonna be focused on. At your liquid highlighter, and you're gonna like blend it into your skin. Make sure the liquid highlighter you are using does blend into your skin without like messing up your makeup. I like this one because it doesn't really mess up your makeup too much if you're careful. So yep, so I'm gonna, you can see how bright this is already, like, and this is just the first level. We're gonna have like 4 levels, I think. So this is just the first level to getting your highlights to the highest point. So first, because the key into getting your highlight to the highest of the highlight to the gods, for the gods to see, is layering. Layering is your key. I'm telling you, is the key. So I got my first level highlight, because that's level to this thing. There are levels. So second level, after your liquid one, because you want something sticky to stick to the next, for the second level to stick. So the first level, you need a sticky highlight. Second level, get your most pigmented highlighter you have in your collection. That is powdered. My most highest highlighter in my collection is definitely the Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. You can see I've used it and it refused to finish, and I do not mind that because I freaking love this. And this kind of highlighter is kind of jelly, so I'm using a brush. This is a Smith's brush in number 112, and I'm using this, and you need something to really like scrape in this highlighter. So you're gonna not just pick it up, but you're gonna scrape in that highlight, girl. Scrape in that highlight. You want your highlight to be popping, right? So you need to scrape. Get as much as you can and apply. Yeah. Yes. Just because you scraped and like get as much as you can on your brush, your highlights will be popping. And because of that first level, it had something to stick on. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge to balance my nose. Oh, oh, yes. But we're not done. We're not done. We're not done. We're gonna like blend the edges. We are not done. This is just the second level, honey. Honey. Okay. Just some people can do this and be done and gone on with their business, with their day, but some of us, like me, this is good, but it's not the best you can do. The third step or the third level is getting a loose highlight, because a pressed highlight is already crushing some of those like pigments to be pressed. Now you want a loose highlight. Get the most brightening loose highlight you have in your collection, and mine is, it's a little bit faded up, but it's the Light by Danessa Myrix, and this is the color Heat. This is, I thought nothing could be brighter than this highlight when I got it, because it's just so brightening for women of color. But this is level 3. Get the most loose, brightest loose highlighter you have, because when it's loose you get the most payout out of the highlighter compared to the second level when it was pressed. So I'm gonna just use the cap because, you know, it's a lot and it's loose and messy. So I'm gonna get a lot on the brush. That is the key. Scraping, not, you can't really scrape, but like getting a lot. Yes, a lot. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Okay. Oh my god. So sorry. I had to hold back because I wasn't even ready. So I'm gonna get some from the cap itself, because I didn't pick up enough from the cap. I'm picking up from the container itself. And it's loose and like flying everywhere, but that's what you need. So, oh my gosh. Okay. I told you, I need to warn, or you need to warn your enemies about this highlight, because they're gonna be seeing it across the globe. Hey. Oh Jesus, Lord Jesus. Woo! This is a lot. This is a lot. This is Instagram highlights. And this is just third level. What are you gonna do with yourself when you figure out the fourth level? Like, hey, see what layering does? See what layering does. Woo! Wow. This is even a lot. And I used to be thinking like, yes, auntie, I want all this, and I go out until I'm like, until one day I was like, okay, even the most highlight I have in my collection, it's not good enough. I need more. I know I am that girl. I am that girl that's like, it's not enough. And you, if you are that girl too, oh boy, that is think that is not enough, that shows through your pictures, you need that. You need this fourth step, the fourth level, the fourth and final level, to get to your highlight to the highest possible. Is, you ready? Dun 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 dun! Glitter. Yes, I said it. Glitter. This is not for the faint heart. This is for the bold. The bold, brave-hearted. It's not for people that want to be settled. Okay? This is for, no. So the highlight the glitter that you want to use, make sure is appropriate skin tone glitter. Okay, so the glitter I'm using is the Makeup Forever. I'm using it doesn't have really a color, but it's like very champagne gold kind of color. So it's not gold, it's just more like champagne gold. See how glittery that is? Yes, this is going on your face. So what you want to do is like wet your brush so the glitter can have something to stick to on your brush and stick to on your face, because if you just put it just like that, it's gonna like fall off. So you need something sticky. So just use like a Fix Plus oil spray to spray your brush. Got my spray, just using like a rose water spray I use to refresh my makeup, and spraying that brush just the very tip. Are you ready for this? Is Nikki Tutorials ready for this? Because you know that girl, she's my girl, and she loves a good highlighter. I wish that she watches this video and try this method of using glitter as a highlighter. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna dip it, take out the excess. You can see the spray did stick on it, and you're just gonna place it. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, you see the difference? See how sparkly this is. This is like, I thought this was really highlight until this came. This is like, okay, well girl, we really hide it, and this is like, yes, yes, go blind those haters, like, yes. You know, I told you, I told you if you guys were ready for this. I don't know if you guys were ready. I don't know if you are ready. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, just losing my mind. This is ridiculous. Like, can it get any better than this? Can it? I don't know if it can, because I'm blinded by looking at myself in the mirror, because I'm like, damn. Definitely center of attention. Nobody can see. People need shades to see me. People need shades. Okay, I'm doing the most, but damn, try this and you will see what I'm talking about. You're gonna be like amazed and be like, yes, auntie, yes. I would not mind walking out like this. I do not care. No, people will be like, oh, it's too much high. I do not care. I do not care. I will go out like this so people could look at me and ask me, where do I get my highlight from? I'm like, it's easy. Just use one of your glitter that's good, that is appropriate for your skin tone, and you're good. You are so good. Like, this is crazy. Like, can you guys see this craziness? Oh my gosh. I can't take myself seriously with this highlight. You just can't. You just can't. This is ridiculous. And I'm gonna add more because I want to go all out for this video. Oh gosh, try this and see what you think, and let me know what you think if you would do this and wear it out, because I would. I told you I don't care. I would. So this is getting your highlight to the maximum brightest of them all. Like, this just came to me one day and I'm like, my highlight is not highlight enough. It's not because when I take pictures it washes out. It does, and I'm like, I need something brighter. And I'm like, I always use glitter. Why not glitter? And it works. It works. Like I said, get the right skin tone appropriate for your highlight, okay? If you're lighter than me, you're gonna definitely use a lighter glitter. And if you're darker than me, you're gonna use a darker glitter. Like, you guys, this is not rocket science. Like, you could get the right tone for your skin tone, okay? Okay. So let me know if you like this video, and I will let me know if you like this video, what you think, if you would do it, and you know, just let me know. I want to see, I want to know what you guys, if you guys will do this, because I feel like this is pretty dope. So thank you guys for watching as always. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and definitely comment what you think, okay? Because I want to know. I want to know. So I know this is just not on me in my head. I want to know. And I'll definitely catch you on my next video. Okay. I can never do it right. Like, okay. Bye-bye.